I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is ready. Check battery and storage so capture won't fail. Once done, open the camera app and enable motion photo in settings. This records a short clip with each shot. Make sure to set motion length to 13 seconds and pick the photo resolution you need for sharing versus archiving. This prevents large files from filling your library and ensures consistent motion timing when you later edit or export the clip. Now you take photos with motion enabled. Hold the phone steady and use grid lines or stabilization to reduce blur. Tap the shutter normally for single motion captures, or use burst when movement is unpredictable. This gives multiple motion clips to choose from. After shooting, open the gallery, play the motion to judge which frame you prefer, and trim the start or end if the app allows it. This step helps you pick the clearest still frame and a smooth motion segment for editing. Finish by exporting or editing the motion photo. Choose GIF or short video when sharing, or extract a still frame for prints. Use the editor to crop, stabilize, and adjust playback speed so the motion reads cleanly. Slower speed emphasizes movement, faster trims duration. Make sure to save edits as a new file to keep the original. If you ever find no motion recorded, first confirm motion photo is still on. Then update the camera app and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.